Sharks navigate the Earth's ocean like a GPS, the real mission of World Youth Media. UP set up 300 oxygen plants, 4.5 billion-year-old asteroid in for a long ride. Twitter's massive donation helps India bounce back. Hello, and my name is Rajvi Nath, and you're watching the WIM Daily News. The World Youth Media's real mission. Through our medium in the WIM, we want to focus on the main topic of online education, to solve the current problem that how so many kids who are unprivileged do not have the means to get stable Wi-Fi to face all of this. For these young people, I request the Government of India to make education services essential. Have like maximum price capping on education for the people in the best schools, so that education throughout is equally developed. Now speaking on the lines of education, about some fun facts. Do you know how much oxygen is used by the human body to survive a day? Well, it's about 550 to 750 liters of oxygen. My request here to the nation is to look into such and many more issues which the WIM will be trying to request in detail for too, continuously as our entrepreneurship learning system grows. Indian startup claims cancer breakthrough using blood tests. Mumbai-based startup Epigenesis Biotechnology Private Limited along with Singapore-based Tazar Labs have co-developed a major breakthrough of a novel blood test called HRC, which claims to detect all kinds of cancer and its stages, even before its symptoms or onset of tumor development. Twitter donates $15 million to India for COVID-19 relief. The amount has been donated to three non-governmental organizations, CARE, Aid India and Seva International USA, while CARE has been given USD 10 million. Aid India and Seva International USA have received USD 2.5 million each. 300 oxygen plants are being set up in the UP, said CM Yogi Adityanath. The CM also said that as much as 1,000 metric tons of medical oxygen was supplied to the state on 9th of May. In a bid to boost the oxygen production in Uttar Pradesh, as many as 300 oxygen plants are being set up in the state. We should not become dependent on one another states for supply of oxygen, but should establish its own. He also thanked the central government for running special trains to overcome the medical oxygen shortage. US approves Pfizer and BioNTech vaccination for kids aged 12 to 15. The US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) approved the use of Pfizer and BioNTech coronavirus vaccinations for kids in the age group of 12 to 15. Generally, the impact of the virus is milder in children, but it can transmit into older, more vulnerable adults. NASA craft carrying 4.5 billion-year-old asteroid dust long trek back home. A time capsule containing a sample of a rock and dirt as old as the solar system will drop from outer space into the Utah desert on 24th of September 2023. Its precious cargo of 60 grams of ancient debris from the near-Earth asteroid Bennu is the largest sample collected since the Apollo moon missions. It may provide clues on information of the solar system. 4.5 billion years is nearly predates the first life ever on Earth. Google to show COVID-19 information, testing to find out if vaccine, hospital beds and oxygen is available. Google on Monday announced that it has rolled out new updates to search in India to show people information related to COVID-19 vaccination and its registration. Testing is also underway on Google Maps to help users in the country find critical resources such as hospital beds and medical oxygen using crowdsourced information amid a surge in COVID-19 cases. Sharks use Earth's magnetic field to navigate them towards oceans. How do sharks navigate through the deep, dark worlds under the seas? Scientists now say that they have very first evidence which shows that the sharks use Earth's magnetic fields like a GPS to move across the seas and oceans. There is a possibility that sharks use their electrosensory organs to read the Earth's magnetic field like a map or atlas. The researchers believe their finding will give a better understanding of how sharks migrate in the vast oceans and how the marine technologies deployed by humans affect them. Winners list for the Germans and the Italians. The two major leagues of football, the German Bundesliga's 9th title row was sealed by FC Bayern Munich yesterday. For the Italians, Inter Milan won their first title after 20 years of trophy double. To get the latest news updates on youth, youngsters and kids, like, share and subscribe to the World Youth Media channel, and to be notified whenever we upload a new video, click the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe.